YouTube family. Welcome to another Danny Ray Lives daily podcast. Thank you guys all for tuning in. This morning we are back in Marquette. We are trying to sell our boat because we got that new big boat. So we're going to try to sell that as hard as we can this week. We're going to go back to the coffee shop where we normally go, and we're going to do some work. Normally when we're back here and Ethan goes to work every morning, we go to the coffee shop and get our YouTube work done. And it feels really good to have a little bit of a routine. Being in a van, you don't always have a lot of routine every day. So it feels good when we're here to get up, go do our work, go run our errands, get our work done. Feels good to get that routine in. So we're going to go do that this morning. We've been coming to this cute little bagel shop every morning and getting work done there. And I try as hard as I can to get up as early as I can so we can get the Asiago bagel. Because I like the Asiago bagel. But they never have it. They just never have it. And even today, we got here so early. They were not crazy busy. And they still don't have it. They have the second best though, which is the jalapeno cheddar bagel. But someday, I'm gonna get my Asiago bagel. And it's gonna be a good day. All right, after a lot of work and a lot of learning how to use keywords on YouTube and learning how to optimize your YouTube videos and all that good stuff, we are finally leaving and we got some errands we gotta go run. So we are headed out to walk back home. But lots of good stuff, lots of good learning on how to use keywords on YouTube, how to optimize your YouTube, how to monetize better your YouTube, and how to learn your YouTube analytics. So all that stuff, very good stuff we're learning today. You guys know about the plants and how we've been doing on the plants. Look at how beautiful that sunflower is. It popped out. And these guys are just doing amazing. This one's ready to pop out. My herbs are flourishing, my cucumbers are flourishing. My tomato plants are kind of yellow. If anyone knows why they're kind of yellow like that, let me know. But yeah, we got a sunflower. I'm so excited.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl?
All right, we're heading in. We don't know how cold it's gonna be. And we don't care. Oh, it's really cold. Really cold, guys. All right, well, that is no more than 55 degrees. It gets better once you've been in here for a second. Here, take a drink. I was trying to make sure I saw it on the thing. We are going to cook some chicken enchiladas for dinner today. And I'm trying to find a recipe online because I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's not that much. So, oh, we need to get some parsley out of the garden. I'll go get that. I need to go get some parsley. We're going to see Garrett's friend John perform a hip hop set at the kombucha place and get ourselves a booch. If we make it in time. Knew something was afoot. It's more than just a
Afoot?
block.
I knew something was afoot.
It's more than just a block. It's a couple blocks, but that's all right.
I said it was down the road.
Shimmy ya, shimmy
I love that we
ya.
can walk from our house right downtown, though.
My sister Michelle's senior picture used to be in this display. But
Oh, really?
this was before it was Danielle Kerr.
Oh, that's a nice name. I wonder where they got that from.